Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I gonna to show you how to pin a comment on YouTube. So first of all, log in your YouTube account and after that in the right corner click on account and select your channel. Now click on videos. Now select a video where you want to pin a comment. In my case, I want to pin a comment in this video, so just watch it. And you should know, you not watch so much time your video. It's against on YouTube policy, but for one time it's okay. And after that scroll down. Now click on show more and go into last. Now if you want to pin your own comment, so firstly add a public comment. And after that click on these three dots. Here is the option pin. So click it. If you already pinned a comment, this will replace it. Click on pin. So this your own comment will be pinned. And if you want to someone's pin a comment, so go to that comment and click on these three dots. Here is the option pin. So it will replace your own pinned comment. Make sure and click on pin. So now this comment will be pinned in list of comment. So like this you can pin a comment on YouTube. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for more update.